Ayun mga kareak, nandito na naman ako, no? Panibagong araw, panibagong video reaction. Ngayon, panunurin natin yung video na pangyayari ngayon sa Ukraine. Ukraine pa rin, simula nung nagkaroon ng hindi pagkakasundo ang Ukraine President at saka si United States President Donald Trump, no? At sisimulan na natin mga karyak. Bago tayo magsimula, please like and subscribe sa aking channel, no? Ito na mga karyak.
You are personally responsible for this. With your attitude that Ukraine has to fight with one hand tied behind its back, it can't go on like this.
Mit einer Hand auf dem Rücken kämpfen muss. Das geht so nicht weiter. Und wenn
If Putin does not accept this, then the next step must be taken.
nicht akzeptiert, dann muss
He must be told that if he doesn't stop bombing the civilian population in Ukraine within 24 hours, then Taurus cruise missiles must also be delivered from the Federal Republic of Germany.
Ito mga karyak, no? Ito yung German leader na unang nagpahayag ng kanyang suporta sa Ukrainian. Simula nung si Trump ay nag-back out ng suporta kay Zelensky. So ito yung unang German leader na ngayon nga sinasabi niya na kapag si Putin ay hindi tumigil, ay ito, i-deliver niya, i-deploy niya kay Zelensky yung kanyang Taurus, yung high-powered weapon niya. Dadalhin niya na. Ito kasi yung inaasam ni Putin noon pa eh. Kaso hindi ibinigay sa kanya noon dating leader ng Germany. Ngayon, ito, katatapos lang ng election, ito yung nanalo. So ito ngayon, ito yung magbibigay kay Zelensky. So pakinggan natin mga karya kung ano sasabihin niya, no?
To destroy the supply routes that this regime is using to damage and bomb the civilian population in Ukraine.
nutzt, die Zivilbevölkerung in der Ukraine zu beschädigen und zu bombardieren. Und wissen Sie,
I can't help feeling that the threats of the use of tactical nuclear weapons throughout the West are also having a considerable effect on them.
Waffen im ganzen Westen, auch bei Ihnen, doch erhebliche Wirkung erzielen. Ich fühle mich in den letzten Wochen immer mehr und immer häufiger.
Over the last few weeks, I have been reminded more and more frequently of the words of the French philosopher Michel de Montaigne, who once said, "Fear is the mother of all cowardice."
Montaigne, der einmal gesagt hat,
and in
Ayun,
pushing
mga karya,
for
no? Ito yung unang sumuporta pagkatapos ng usapan ni Donald Trump at Zelensky. Ang nangyari nga rito karya pagkatapos ng pag-uusap ni Zelensky at ni Trump, ito pala si Zelensky ay dumiretso ng UK. Nagkaroon sila ng meeting, no? At nagamit niya pa yung drama nila ni Trump para lang yung European leaders ay para nagkaroon ng simpatiya sa kanya bigla. Kaya ito si Merz, itong leader ng Germany, ito yung unang nagpahayag ng kanyang suporta at ibibigay na yung kahintahintay na hiling ni Zelensky doon sa kanyang ammunition, no? Ito yung hinahangad niya na makuha kasi ito yung pinakamalakas eh. Kaya bago naman ito mga kadyak, nung nagpahayag ng suporta itong German leader, ito na mga kadyak, yung Canadian leader naman ay sumunod. Magpapahayag na naman ng kanyang suporta din sa Ukrainian. So, panoorin natin mga karyak.
a durable, lasting peace in Ukraine. Way we're going to keep a lasting peace. I can tell you, in certain Canada will be in probably not at that position yet. The US and the EU are conducting shuttle diplomacy in separate ways to end the war between Ukraine and Russia and transition to a peace process. In the context of peace in Ukraine, Zelensky recently held a historic summit with US President Donald Trump. The meeting between Zelensky and Trump, initially aimed at finalizing an agreement granting the US access to Ukraine's rare earth minerals, turned into a heated debate. Ukraine did not get a clear result from the meeting with the US in Washington. This has galvanized the EU, particularly the UK, France and Germany
Ito mga kariyak, no? Ang ayaw kasi sa deal ni Zelensky dito kay Trump, masyado yata ang nalalakihan siya kasi ang hinihiling ni Trump is 50% ng kanyang deposit rare mineral, no? At ito namang si Zelensky ay nakakatanggap naman pala ng mga donation. Hindi kagaya donation galing sa Europe, no, sa NATO. Ito namang si Trump, itong ginawa niyang aid na 56 billion kay Ukraine, ay ito yung sinasabi ni Zelensky na ayaw niya itong magiging loan. Maari niya itong bayaran ng mas higit pa. Pero yung gagawing loan ni Trump, ayaw niya ng ganun. Alam niyo naman si Trump, mga karyak, ano yan, business-minded talaga yan. Yun yung kanyang panukala ngayon sa Amerika na papataasin niya yung kanilang ekonomiya. Yun yung kanyang pangako. So, mga karyak, tuloy natin yung usapan nila.
Countries such as the UK, France, and Germany have declared that they stand by Ukraine and will continue to support it. In fact, by the time these statements were published, Zelensky had already turned his route to the UK after the US. The Ukrainian leader canceled all his activities in the US and made his way to the kingdom. UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer warmly welcomed Ukrainian leader Volodymyr Zelensky and invited him to the meeting. Mr. Starmer's positive attitude towards Zelensky after the tough meeting in the US attracted all the attention. Keir Starmer spoke about a summit of EU leaders and expressed his happiness that Zelensky was in the UK. UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer hosted the meeting at Lancaster House, a 200-year-old mansion near Buckingham Palace. Leaders from Germany, Denmark, Italy, the Netherlands, Norway, Poland, Spain, Canada, Finland, Sweden, the Czech Republic, and Romania attended the summit. The Turkish Foreign Minister, NATO Secretary General, the presidents of the European Commission and the Council of Europe also attended the meeting. One of the notable parties at this critical summit was Canada. On Sunday, Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau made clear his view that Russian President Vladimir Putin cannot keep his word on any agreement to end his aggression against Ukraine. Vladimir Putin is a liar and a criminal and cannot be trusted. Trudeau expressed his unwavering support for Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky following his dramatic meeting with U.S. President Donald Trump at the White House on Friday. Trudeau said they have invested $20 billion in support for Ukraine and will continue to provide as much support as necessary. We've also invested close to $20 billion in supports for Ukraine. These shocking words left their mark on history. On Sunday, Canada
announced new sanctions against 10 individuals.
Ayun mga karyak, ito nga yung sinasabi natin, na ang Germany nagpakita na ng suporta kay Zelensky at sabi niya nga doon sa kanyang saliliwikain, ang takot daw ay isang mother of karuwagan, mother of cowardness. Yun yung saliliwikain na kanyang binitawan. At isa ang kanilang direksyon, no, ni Canadian leader si Trudeau. Ang gusto nilang mangyari, kasi nga wala silang tiwala kay Putin. Kahit man si Zelensky nagsabi na ayaw niyang paniwalaan si Putin pagdating sa peace agreement, no? Dahil alam niya ito ay tuso, hindi ito kumbaga babalik. Kaya yun nga yung hinihingi niya yun ang hinihingi niya noon, na security sa Amerika, na kapag ba siya ay nakipag peace process kay agreement kay Putin, si Putin ba ay hindi siya babalikan after na bibitawan na siya ng Amerika. Kaya itong pagkatapos ng pag-uusap nila at nakita nga ng European na parang kawawa si Zelensky dahil nga tinanggalan siya ng suporta ng Amerika at lalo silang nagkaroon ng hindi malinaw, no, na pag-uusap. So itong direksyon ng dalawang leader ngayon na nagsasalita, Germany at saka itong Canadian, kasi ito pa lang ang nagbibigay ng kanilang nagpapakita ng kanilang suporta eh. So isa lang ang kanilang direksyon. Ang gusto ng Germany, kailangan talunin ito si Putin para matigil na, at ang nasakop niyang area sa Ukraine yan, kailangan mabawi yan ni Zelensky. At ganoon din to si Canadian leader Trudeau, na ang sinasabi niya nga na ito si Putin ay isang kriminal at hindi pinagkakatiwalaan. Yun yung kanilang kaya buo ang kanilang suporta para sa Ukrainian. Pero ang Ukrainian kasi wala pa tayong nababalita na binigyan na siya ng kumbaga magiging miyembro na siya ng NATO. Ang nalalaman pa lang natin ngayon ay full support ng mga Europe leaders sa Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky. So yun yung ating palang update sa kanya, no, na hinahangad niya rin kasi na bukod sa dapat suportahan siya ng US, habang dapat magiging miyembro siya ng NATO. So malinaw mga kareak, no? Yung dalawang leader, kung gusto nilang mangyari, kailangan manahimik na si Putin, tumigil, matalo dapat ng Ukraine, at ang Ukraine bawiin niya ang kanyang mga territory na ngayon ay hawak pa ng Russia. So hanggang doon na lang mga kareak, at maraming salamat. Sa susunod na araw at magbibigay ulit tayo ng video at konting reaction. So salamat, bye bye.